In this lecture, we will talk about the OSI model. There are a total of 7 layers in the OSI model: application, presentation, session, transport, network, data link, and physical. And we will cover all of these in this lecture. Open System Interconnection, OSI model, a conceptual framework that describes the functions of a networking or telecommunication system. The model uses 7 layers to help give a visual description of what is going on with a particular networking system. The OSI model helps network administrators narrow down physical or application-related problems. The first layer we will cover is the 7th layer, which is the application layer. Applications that work at layer 7 are the ones that users interact with directly, and the examples are Internet Explorer, Firefox, Skype, Outlook, or Office. Next layer is the presentation layer. It's the layer 6. Presentation layer represents the preparation or translation of application format to network format. Examples are JPEG, GIF, MIDI. Another good example of this layer is encryption and decryption of data for secure transmission. The next layer we will cover is the session layer. That's the layer 5. Manages connection between local and remote application. Handles application session management. Examples are SQL or NFS. Next is layer 4, which is the transport layer. The transport layer deals with the coordination of the data transfer between end systems and hosts, how much data to send, at what rate, where it goes, etc. Examples are TCP, UDP, or AppleTalk. The next layer is the network layer. This is the layer 3. Network layer is responsible for packet forwarding, including routing through different routers, determines how data gets from one system to another. Examples are IP, traceroute, ping, ARP, etc. The next layer is the data link layer. That's the layer 2. The data link layer provides node-to-node data transfer between two directly connected nodes, and also handles error correction from the physical layer. 2 sublayers exist here as well: the media access control, the MAC layer, and the logical link control, LLC layer. In the networking world, most switches operate at layer 2. Examples are switches, bridges, or Ethernet. Next is the physical layer. This is the layer 1. The physical layer conveys the bit stream across the network, either electrically, mechanically, or through the radio waves. The physical layer covers a variety of devices and mediums. Examples are cabling, connectors, receivers, transceivers, and repeaters. You can also memorize these layers by using this syntax: all people seem to need data processing, and this way you can try to memorize the application, presentation, session, transport, network, data link, and physical layer. This covers the basics of the OSI model, and I hope you learned something useful in this lecture as well, and I'll see you in the next one.